The fuck blew my account? What the? Oh, I didn't mean for you guys to see my reaction to me blowing the account again. You know what I'm saying? You know, in this Forex trading thing, you know how many accounts I need you to hang out in here. Okay, we're talking about blowing accounts right now. Okay, anyways, guys. You know, when you're trading Forex, you know, you just got to blow 10 million accounts to get that one account that actually makes you money. You know what I'm saying? It's all about the journey. If you're a slow learner. Welcome to the video, okay? Welcome to the video. Redoing this intro, okay? The outro, the last clip of me where I'm wearing the hat, that was actually recorded yesterday, okay? I'm redoing the intro. Honestly, I'm redoing the intro because I didn't like it, okay? But anyways, welcome to the video. Prince Funds, episode 6, I believe, episode 6. So you know what that means. We are 6 weeks in to uploading weekly and doing this trading thing, okay? So, you know what that means, right? We are consistent. We are consistent. I have shit on my face, man. What the fuck? Looking like an idiot. Looking like an idiot. Okay, anyways, so pretty much what happened last week was I passed. You know, I got funded, you know, I'm balling now. I'm gonna buy a Lambo. Everything's all good. I made it. Check it out. Just kidding. I didn't even pass phase 1. I ended the week at 1.5%. No, I could have ended the week at 1.5%. But then, look at that airplane, dude. Check this out. This shit's pretty cool. You know, I live right by the airport. Okay, so we see airplanes. You know, that's pretty cool. But anyways, back on to what actually matters. Okay, so anyways, back on to what actually matters, all right? So pretty much, man, we got down 1.5%. And then we took a trade that was completely out of character, okay? I'm not gonna lie, I was losing the whole entire week. I got pissed, so I revenge traded. It wasn't really revenge trade as in like I'm over leveraging that. It was more like, all right, I see this little breakout pattern. Let me just take the trade and break my rules a little bit, okay? And I closed it, not according to my rules, okay? I closed it. You'll see when I go back over, but I closed it at like 20 something points or something like that. I closed it when momentum ended, and I ended up bringing myself back up to about 2%, okay? All right, so pretty much that's what happened with that. And yeah, so the rest of the clips after this is gonna be what I recorded yesterday. So it's gonna be me going over some of the trades. I still gotta edit all that up so it's not super long or anything, and then there's the outro and all of that. But before I go on to those clips, I do want to say that I am changing my trading strategy. He's changing his strategy. What the fuck? Why am I changing the strategy? Okay, here's the reason why I'm changing the strategy. So this is a new week, right? I took 2 trades on Sunday, which I'm gonna talk more about next week. And they were both good trades. They both went into profits, and I didn't close them. And I was looking and doing research and back testing and going back. And I figured out that, hey, Darian, maybe you're disciplined on the wrong things, okay? I'm forcing setups. Now, I'm not forcing setups in a way as in, you know, I see my entry. As in, I don't see my entry yet, but I really want the trade, so I'm just gonna force the entry. I'm forcing exits, you know? I didn't even know that was really a thing. I never heard of that until I just pondered on this shit, and I figured out, and it turns out I'm forcing exits. Like, I'm forcing 5 wins. Not every trade is going to be a 5 win. Now, yes, I back tested, and a lot of times it's going to be a 5, but the truth is, I'm better off just aiming for key levels. You know, I don't see, and I look at these bigger traders and I realize all their profits aren't the same. Now, why aren't all their profits the same? Because they aim for key levels, okay? So, with that being said, you know, I'll dive deeper into this next week, but pretty much discipline on the stops, keep the stops tight, okay? Because stops, that determines the ratios. You know, if it's 1 to 5 or this or that, 2 big stops just kills the ratio, okay? But we're changing the profits, all right? And I'll dive deeper into this in next week's video. But for this week's video, let's just jump into these trades, all right? Now, if you haven't already, give the video a like, all right? If you like Lamborghinis, give the video a like. If you like making money from your phone, give the video a like. If you want to join my IML, give the video a like. All right, check it out. So as you can see right here, this was the first one. All right, this was the first entry. All right, this was on Monday, I believe. So I saw this break right there. What I should have did was should have waited. But I mean, either way, if I would have waited, I would have got stopped out still, because you know we're doing 20 points. Okay, so I saw it breaking the trend line, full candle, got in, ended up getting stopped out. Did another full candle. I would have got stopped out if I waited on that too. However, what I noticed is that if I would have tried a third time, it would have hit, and it would have hit really good too, because it just kept on going. Next one. This one was stupid, honestly. Like, I'm not gonna lie, this was a really stupid trade. Here's why. Okay, here's why. All right. Overall, you know, we already know overall it's like going up and down and blah blah blah. It's going up. So I was like, okay, I should look for a buy. All right. You know, there were two ways I could have did this. Okay, you know what? Let's just hit this right here. All right, because if we look on an hourly, because you know I've been using an hourly to help out. You know, overall we're going down, right? Overall we're in a downtrend. All right, we're at this area. We were up here. Okay, we were all the way up here. It could have been like some sort of pullback or something. Yes, there's a zone right here, but there's a zone around this area too. Okay, and I saw this happen before my eyes, but I was still waiting on a freaking break to the upside. Like, that was stupid. So I could have easily did a trade. See, this is what I was talking about. I got confused because I was looking at other people's shit. So I could have easily did a trade like this, you know, something like that. All right, probably could have entered in right there. You know, no drawdown, 45. As long as it goes 100 points, it's a win. So that could have been a win right there. And even if we did draw the trend line different, like this, maybe want to draw it from right there to there. Shit, that could have been an easy win too. All right, because it is at that pullback location, right? At this point, it's obviously going up. Okay, here's why. All right, if we rewind to, I start trading around this time. Okay, we rewind to this time. It's going to show the hourly candle for that. But anyways, there we go. Because if I don't do it like that, it's going to show everything after that. So what we want is what is before 12. So if I look at an hourly candle when I'm trading, around the time I get up and blah, 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 we can see obviously now it's moving up. Okay, why is it moving up? It did a little pullback and it's continuing up, you know, bullish structure. Now it's doing a freaking, you know, you draw Fibonacci really quick from this little area. I mean, it's not the best push, but I mean, it obviously pulled back and is rejecting that down there. So it's like, okay, it's time to look for buys. But my dumbass was looking for sells. Darian, why are you looking for sells? What the hell is wrong with you, man? Like, what is going on? Sells for what? It's obviously trending up. But hey, like I said, my mind was like fucking fried, dude. So, okay. So I took a trade somewhere. Where did I take it? I don't know. I think I took a trade around here, and it's not showing up. But I took a trade around here. And then I took another one because I was pissed off. I'm not gonna lie, I was pissed off because I was on a fucking losing streak. And I ended up closing that one early. It's not marked up properly, but it closed somewhere around there. But let's just hop onto the actual account. So this is what happened. So that's not it. First trade right here, risking 1% because I was up by 4. I was like, let me risk 0.5, boom. And I was like, let me just risk 1%. I'm still up by 3. Boom, lost that one, lost that one, lost that one. So I lost 5 in a row, and I was like, fuck this shit. I want to make something back. And so I got in, and I just closed this at where it was. You know, that was like good enough for me, and I was like, okay, let me just close it. Like, fuck it. All right, so that's pretty much it. So what's going to happen this week? Not going to look at other people's strategies and stuff no more, because that really confused me. Okay, time out. Here's the deal. So here's the part where I actually go into the strategy and what I was planning on doing for the following week, which is this week currently that I'm on. And I just have to correct this because I'm not doing what I said in the video because I figured out a better way, which I talked about earlier at the start of this video. So pretty much what I am doing is, it's funny because I said I go over this in the next video, but then I saw this clip and I was like, you know what? Let me just do a better explanation. Okay, so pretty much what I'm doing is I'm not doing one loss anymore. I'm not doing one trade a day and seeing where it goes. Pretty much I am taking multiple trades per day and I'm aiming for certain key levels. Okay, I'm aiming for certain key levels for my profits. I'm keeping the stops the same old 20 points on US 30. That way we can still get the kick ass ratios. All right. All right. And I'm not only doing breakouts anymore, I'm doing breakouts and Fibonacci retracements, pullback trades, things like that. Reason being is because I enjoy doing both. I back tested both. Both of them fucking work. Why not just go ahead and do both and just aim for key levels? Okay. I did that. I back tested it doing both and it works very well. And on top of that, I enjoy it more. And that's what matters the most. Are you doing a trading strategy that you enjoy? Because if you're not doing a trading strategy that you enjoy, similar to if you're not doing a workout plan you enjoy, you're not going to stick with the shit. Okay. So with that being said, that's what I'm doing. Another reason is it's better on psychology because I like to win, man. I like to win. You know, it sucks when I lose. And it's just like, all right, I'm done for the day. It's one trade a day. And then I see more opportunities, Fibonacci opportunities. Maybe there's not a breakout opportunity, but there's a very clear pullback Fibonacci gold zone rejection, man. And it's like, damn, you know, it's like, damn, I could have took advantage of that, you know. But anyways, that's what I'm doing Fibonacci's and breakouts. And I'm aiming for key levels and I'll stop trading whenever. I'm gonna limit myself to 3 losses. Like if I were to lose 3 times in a row, then I'll be done for the day. Okay. And whenever I get up to 3 to 5%, then I'll start risking 1%. Okay. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing, you know. Like I said, you know, the reasons are I just enjoy doing this more. This seems more fun than just doing a one and done sort of deal. But yeah, just had to get that out of the way. Let's get back to the video. All right, that being said, give it a like, comment your thoughts, subscribe, see more, check the links out in the description. Keep trading, keep over leveraging, keep risking too much, keep wasting your money on accounts that make no sense. And before you know it, you will have a Lamborghini, okay? Or better yet, a Bugatti, okay?